everyone, this is Valentine. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am so very excited to review a robotic pool cleaner, which is a must-have for everyone who owns a pool or works with pools. So I'm gonna review the freshly launched Aiper Scuba S1 Pro cordless robotic pool cleaner, and this one is excellent in doing his job. This is a 2024 launch, and it's all new, most developed, and most high technology robot you can find currently on the market. So if you own a pool, this is definitely a must-have for you, because if you're still cleaning your pool in the traditional way of cleaning it yourself or paying a pool guy that will come and clean your pool for you, why? You have a robotic pool cleaners on the market for many years now, so just go and buy one of these. Now, if you are a pool guy, if you're someone who's cleaning pools, it's going to be the smartest decision to invest into a robotic pool cleaner, a good one that can cover a lot of area, so you could go and basically just put it into someone's pool, get paid for it, and then take it out, and you just rest. Don't even do your job. Rest. This is what I will do if I will do like pool cleaning services. Maybe I will even rent it out, for someone who have a pool in my neighborhood. I'll be like, hey, do you want to rent this pool cleaner out once a week? Pay me like $100 or pay me like $50. I don't know. I just truly think that's a smart business model that can work really well. Well, guys, anyway, let's get started with a detailed review.
Happy to introduce you to Aiper Scuba S1 Pro. Live life sideways. Well, guys, I'm so very excited. I love Aiper. I already reviewed a few of their robots, and you're very welcome to check them out. I'll leave you all of the links to my previous videos down below in the description box. First of all, this Aiper robotic pool cleaner works with the WaveLine technology. This is the industry very first cordless robotic pool cleaner to feature the horizontal waterline cleaning capabilities. It's all about the flow control, and the infrared sensors that this robotic pool cleaner equipped with are all helping the S1 Pro to maneuvering around your pool, collecting all the debris all around. It works on a premium cleaning performance, has a dual layer of filtration system installed inside, so it all works simultaneously in a synergy with the quad-brushless motor. So yes, this one works on a quad-brushless motors, which is all providing and giving more power to the scrubbing and filtration system of this robot. It's allowing the robot to pick up and store debris as small as 3 microns in the massive 5-liter debris basket that it is coming with. It's another level of cleaning of the pool's floor, walls, and the waterline as well. So it can clean it all in one device: floor, walls, and the waterline. Now, guys, let's talk about the obstacle avoidance abilities of this robot, which this is very important, because what if there is something in the pool that you don't want the robot to work on or to be around? Well, the robot is equipped with 4 infrared sensors that I just talked about them before, and all these sensors are all about to detect the area, the environment surrounding the robot. These sensors will easily detect the pool walls, the stairs, and any type of other large obstacles by allowing it to adopt the correct and right path for a complete and pristine cleaning. Now let's talk about the path it works on. It works on the WavePath Navigation Technology 2.0. It is leveraging the cutting-edge technology. The WavePath 2.0 takes an advantage of the natural flow of the pool. It is building the path in the right, correct, and the best way to clean the pool in a pristine way. All that together increasing the cleaning coverage, and as a result, you are getting even clearer pool than ever before. The top-of-the-line sensors allowing this robot to pinpoint itself's location within the pool area. So as a result, it will bring the most pristine and best type of a cleaning to the pool's floor, walls, and the water line. So it can collect any type of debris, all between the 180 microns and up to 3 microns small type of dirt and debris. So it can filter and collect all type of dirt in these sizes that I just mentioned, as well as dust, sand, and even debris that the naked eye can't see, because once again, up to 3 microns in size. So yeah, it is actually filtering and collecting all the possible dirt out of your pool. And now the synergy of everything I just mentioned, it is all helps to improve the water purity in your pool, and it is protecting you and your health every single time you swim from any unseen debris like bacterial threats. It's ideal for large pools because it can do 2,150 square feet at one charge. It's so very easy to wash this one and to maintain this one after it's done cleaning. And by the way, let's say for example you will choose to use the eco mode. So the Eco mode will give you a carefree maintenance for up to 3 times a week, 45 minutes a session. And this is how, thanks to the large dustbin that it has, 5 liters, there is no need to clean the robot often. This one also has a smart application that you can control it through the smart application as well. So once the device is out of the water, app control is accessible. You can switch between the modes. For an example, you can choose the additional wall mode through the smart application. You can monitor the battery level and you can review your cleaning history. It is all within the Aiper smart application for your robot.
Well guys, I truly hope you enjoyed this review of mine. Please let me know your opinion down below in the comments. Be so very sure to check Aiper out. That's their newest model, the Scuba S1 Pro Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. It's their newest product, just freshly launched, so be so very sure to check it out. I will leave you all of the links down below in the description box to this video of mine, as well as any discount information like coupon codes, discounts, sales, promotions, and so very on. This is the best time of the year to get a pool cleaner because it's summer. We're in the middle of summer. So guys, that was actually all for today. Be so very sure to check Aiper out, subscribe to my channel, give this video a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO. Valentine.